Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will see how to download and install CodeBlock IDE with MinGW compiler, which enables us to compile and run our C and C++ programs. Open your favorite browser and type CodeBlock in search bar. Open codeblock.org. You will see three different downloads here. Click on first one. Again, you will see here different downloads. Click on CodeBlock MinGW setup and click on sourceforge.net. It will redirect to sourceforge.net and the download will start automatically in 5 seconds. As I have already downloaded the file, no need to download it again. In your case, after downloading, go to the folder where it's saved and double click on CodeBlock executable. The CodeBlock installation wizard will be shown here. Click on next, read the license agreement, click on I agree, click next, click on install. Let the installation process finish. Do you want to run the CodeBlock now? If you want to run the CodeBlock now, say yes. If you don't want to run, say no. You want to run the CodeBlock, and that's why we have said yes. So as we said in the very beginning that we want to install CodeBlock IDE with MinGW compiler. So here GNU GCC compiler is detected because we have downloaded the file including GCC compiler. So now click OK. So here they are asking in which type do you want to show your files. Leave everything as it is. Click OK. So your CodeBlock is installed. This is your CodeBlock IDE. Now we are going to open a project and run the Hello World program. Click on File and click on New. Click on Project. If you click on empty file, so you will get the empty file. You need to write the code. If you click on project, you will see the Hello World program written in your file by default. So here there are different kinds of application you can write the program for, but we want to write the program for console application. Click on console application and click go. And then click on next. So as we said at the very beginning, we want to download and install CodeBlock with GCC and G++ compiler. That's why C and C++ both programming languages are detected here. Both the programs, we can write program for C and we can program for C++. So for now we want to write a code for C and then click next. Write the project name here. So the project name for now is Hello World program or Hello World. Folder to create project in. Where do you want to save your project? Select the folder. So we want to save there. Click OK. So this will be your file name and click next. And here leave all these things as it is and click finish. So your Hello World project is created here. And inside that Hello World project, you will find a folder by the name of sources. Inside the source folder, you will find a file by the name of main.c. Double click on it. So here is the Hello World program for you. So in this Hello World program, we can edit this part which is written inside double quotation. So we can write hello code block. Also we can edit, we can write anything here, and backslash n for new line. So you can build your program from this icon, and also you can run your program from this icon. So again, if you want to run it from file menu, click on file menu and click on build. So after building your project, the number of errors and the number of warnings will be shown here. For now, the number of errors and warning are 0. So you can click run from here, either from here. Click on run. Your program, hello code block, is shown here. Press any key from your keyboard, so you will be back to your project. So that's how you can download and install CodeBlock IDE with MinGW, which enables us to compile and run C and C++ programs. Thanks for watching, and do like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.